All right, so we've got our third gen Tacoma right here. We're gonna be installing some new tow points. We've got one for each side. One will go right about here, and the other will go right about here. But stock, it already has this one hook, and it's gonna need to come off. So we're gonna take this tow hook off and put on the two new ones, and we should be good to go. So these are our new tow points we're installing. Each one has a big, beefy D-ring shackle on it. One for each side. There's not much to say about these.
They're made out of full metal.
Before I put these on, I'm gonna take them apart to make our lives a little bit easier. When we got these, they came apart. I just put them together so we could see what they look like. So the driver's side is gonna be the easiest. We've got this one bolt on this side, and that lines up with this hole. They're gonna go on so that the bolt is on the outside, like this. But we're gonna take out this OEM bolt, put it right back in. Same thing on the other side. This is a 17mm bolt. Just cleaning this up a little bit. I don't know that it really matters, but I don't really want to trap a bunch of dirt up against this if I don't have to. Now the picture online showed him using an impact wrench, so I have no idea how tight to make these. It's probably similar to the rest of these. So on this side, in order for this to fit, we're gonna have to remove this hook that came with the truck. Also 17mm. There it is. So the way these go on is you're gonna have a rubber gasket, bushing, rubber washer thing. I think they're silicone actually, on either side. Which way are you putting your screw, inside or outside?
Outside. Well, faced inside. So, like this. So your side would be like that.
Okay, I just wanna make sure we're doing it the same.
Yeah, no, that's...
It'd be nice to have it match.
So I do it on my Jeep.
Then it will match your Jeep, perfect.
I know. So what I do is, with zip ties, I wrap it around this, just through the bowl right there and around it. So yeah, we're just gonna put this on just to make sure that when it bounces, this doesn't slowly jiggle off. So I like putting on the zip ties so that when it goes through the part, it's on the back side of it, just to make it look more clean, just with one black stripe instead of having the full square in the front.
Well, I guess my side's ugly then. And here's the ugly side that I did, with the hideous part of the zip tie sticking out. I'm gonna be so embarrassed about that whenever I'm in public, but not so embarrassed that I'm gonna redo it.